Let's talk about a home equity line of credit, or a HELOC, and let's look at how it can be a powerful financial tool. First, it allows you to leverage your home's equity to achieve your financial goals, like buying more real estate or renovating your home to increase the home's value. But remember, it should be used responsibly. Homeowners can tap into their home equity line of credit, essentially a second mortgage. This lets you borrow against the existing equity to invest in real estate opportunities or build more wealth. Typically, you can borrow from anywhere from 80 to 90% of your home's value through that HELOC, but not the full amount. This helps avoid being upside down if the values do drop in your area. Highly unlikely, but it could happen. To access your home's equity, you're going to need to apply for a new mortgage, provide basic information, and undergo an appraisal on the home. This determines your home's value and the equity that you can borrow. Now, you can choose to receive a lump sum or an open line of credit, which can be used for investment or purchases with repayment starting that next month. A HELOC allows homeowners to access cash as needed, often used for home improvements and debt consolidation. If you have a lower first mortgage rate, this will also help so you don't have to touch that first mortgage and you can still take advantage of the super low interest rates that we've had over the past few years. Now, leveraging a HELOC at a lower rate can help consolidate high interest credit card debt or be used as a down payment on an additional investment property, creating cash flow and tax efficiencies. You can use your home equities to fund investments like a down payment on a new home, rental income, or other ventures like business, stocks, or crypto. However, I do warn you to probably not use the home equity line of credit to invest in the open markets. Just use it responsibly. Avoid any frivolous purchases, and remember, it's a loan that requires monthly payments. So be smart about this.